COVID-19 pandemic. A quick peep into the reality at Vijay Jyoti Convent Kasabel, Jashpur district at Chhattisgarh state, a unit of Raigarh Society of Franciscan Sisters of Mary governed by the FMM Sisters. We, the Franciscan Missionaries of Mary, FMM Sisters at Kasabel, belonging to Delhi province, being aware of our call defined at our province plan 2019 to be women missionary disciples sent to reveal the face of God's love, have set out to respond to the immediate needs of those in the periphery. Realizing the community in mission is a fundamental value of our life as FMM. We have moved forward together, discerning, accompanying, supporting, and answering the mission thrust of the community. The district collector personally requested Sister Rani to cover up the entire Jashpur district, but it seems to be not possible. We have set a target of reaching out to 800 families of marginalized, particularly hill tribals, Pahadi Korwa, daily wage laborers, migrant workers, and who live in the remote jungles. We have been sure that God would help us to find some probable sponsors to begin our work immediately. Sister Rani Jesus, FMM, the coordinator of the anti-human trafficking projects at Vijay Jyoti Convent Kasabel, risked her life once again, this time going out daily at this dangerous situation, traveling to faraway jungle hilly areas by the mini truck loaded with packages in order to give sustenance, support, joy, and comfort to those who are hungry, poor, and neglected. Sister Rani and our staff took this opportunity to give them awareness on health, hygiene, and precautionary measures to be safe from coronavirus and other diseases. Dear Sister Rani, Jesus is with you already in your name, and we too are with you and proud of you. We admire and appreciate you for your commitment with unflinching faithfulness, untiring efforts, and indomitable courage. We are grateful to the local and district level government officials and police personnel. Thanks to the block coordinators and field supervisors of our unit who arranged the people well in advance as per the list they have prepared through survey. The empowering presence of these persons is greatly felt on the distribution sites, extending their collaboration and particularly maintaining law and order. Our sincere gratitude to our sponsors who have come to our aid to begin this work without any further delay. You are a great source for our dreams to come true. We pray that God may bless you all abundantly. May the living God be praised and glorified through Jesus in the Eucharist for his loving presence with us and doing many wonders among us.